The DOH Bicol CHD is officially recognizing the outstanding performances of our different health partners and stakeholders, the national government agencies, private institutions, and the local government units from the 6 provinces and its component cities across the Bicol region. This annual awarding ceremony, it is more than a tradition. It is a testament to our shared vision of bringing universal healthcare closer to every Bicolano, that no Bicolano should be left behind. Isang karangalan po sa Department of Health, Bicol Center for Health Development na kayo ay makasama ngayong hapon. Alam ko po kung gaano kayo ka-busy. Halos lahat ng activities nakasaksak na ngayong buwan na ito, ngayong semanang ito. Pero nandito kayo, pagpapatunay kayo ay sumusuporta sa kalusugan, hindi lamang ng inyong nasasakupan, kundi pati ng Department of Health po.
We are your reliable partner to ensure the health of our region.
Lahat tayo dito ng mga guests is winners na, kaya a big tap on your shoulder because dahil doon, we know that you guys deliver a good quality public service sa publiko mismo.
Choose to prioritize health, invest in systems, and work collaboratively, real change happens. So we will be doing the LGU profiling. Titingnan natin yung mga baseline data ng mga LGUs para makita natin yung starting point, ano ba yung improving sa LGU, ano yung dapat gawin. Hahanapin natin yung health outcomes.
Maraming salamat po dahil hanggang ngayon, for 14 years, ang iba po sa inyo, consistently awardee po. Hindi po trinabaho ito ng DOH, ginawa po ito ninyo. Sumuporta lang po ang Department of Health. Kayo po ang rason kung bakit meron tayong Salud Bicolnon Awards, hindi po ang DOH. Kayo po ang dahilan kung bakit merong Salud Bicolnon. As we implement SB Finder, as we gather more data, as we learn from real-world use, this system will continue to evolve and improve. The foundation is solid, the partnerships are strong, and the vision is clear.
I would like to congratulate each and every one of you here dito po sa Bicol kasi this initiative is first of its kind sa buong Pilipinas.
All of you are the true embodiment of our team today. Matanos na serbisyong Salud Bicolnon, orgulyo kang Kabikulan. This event stands as a testament to our shared vision of universal healthcare for all Bicolanos. Behind every plaque and citation are stories of dedication, invocation, and compassion. Efforts that, when woven together, form the fabric of a healthier and stronger Kabikulan. Kayo po ang backbone ng health system ng Bicol. Kung wala po kayo, walang maayos na health statistics ang Bicol region. On behalf of the Bicol CHD, we put our trust in all of you. The DOH, as our technical hand, is excited to see what more we can do as visionaries of change and improve health outcomes for our fellow Bicolanos.
It sends a message to all LGUs that excellence is possible, regardless of size, location, or limitations.